we all, rather you all should have study and struggle. Most of the marginal communities are Dalit Bahujan students in the higher education institutions. It's not study and struggle. The very survival itself is a struggle. Sometimes you don't get fellowship, sometimes you don't get supervisor, sometimes, there are many cases, whether you call it IIT, IIM or, central universities. So, for us, the survival itself is a struggle, I would suggest. I won't go into details of exclusion or discrimination because उसी के मेरा पेट भरता है उसी सब्जेक्ट से, तो इसलिए उसकी बारे में I will not speak on that. The Professor Ranaji mentioned that, the Birsa Munda's contribution, preservation of culture. Yes, mostly he credited for reviving of, traditional tribal culture. Yes, he criticized and opposed church and conversion, mostly because of the highest levy and taxes that they are imposing on the tribes. So this is the, and now Nitisha finally mentioned that गांधी से पहले किया था फिर इनको भी गांधीवादी कह रहे हैं. ये बात, there was already a movie. It's Gandhi before Gandhi. Just try to watch. It's already recorded and people have, explained. The one final point is that, except historians, rest of all were touched Birsa Munda's life. Because historians की कोई ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं, because उनका लिखने की बहुत सारे topics हैं. If you look at Mahasweta Devi got the award, Satya Academy Award in 1979 in Bengali. And you know what is the subject of that, her novel? Aranyakar Adhikar. That was life and struggles of Birsa Munda and Munda tribes. For that she got the award. So if you try to attempt to write anything on a, the characters like Birsa Munda or any other figure, you will be getting recognition. It won't go waste, because any aspect that you work, you will be the first one, because not many aspects have been covered or touched upon. Now with this, I would ask organizers to come and carry forward, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity.